Hey guys, what's up? So check out the new model I just designed. This is the new Pop It model, and it's got a color change to bubble, and it works. Push it in, and push it out. Push it in, push it out, like that. Alright, ready to learn it? Here it goes. Okay, so here's the model up close. So, it is a Pop It with a color change to bubble. And you push it in, you can push it out from underneath like that. And yeah, and it's a really nice fidget toy. And believe it or not, this is it actually kind of looks like, I think it's a variation of that volcano that I taught here. But it's a Pop It. See? And okay, so I'm going to show you how to fold this. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square origami. So let's begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half both ways. Okay, unfold, and fold to the middle, and just make 2 crease marks on both sides. And now fold it up so the 2 crease marks align with the crease, and this point aligns with this crease. And again, don't make the whole fold, just we're gonna make a crease mark in the middle this time, like that. And now fold this point to the middle crease mark, the one you just made, and fold all the way across. And we're going to repeat that 3 more times. So here we go. So I'll show you on this one, and then I'll fast forward the other 2. So fold to the middle, 2 crease marks both sides, and fold the 2 crease marks to the middle, and make a crease mark in the middle. Let's try and get it aligned here. And then fold to the crease mark you just made. Alright. Like that. Alright, I'm going to fast forward these other 2. Okay, now fold this edge to these 2 points, and hold the layers down so they don't slide. And do that 3 more times. Okay, so this middle square is going to be the bubble that pushes in and out. And what we're going to do is we're going to make... no, let's turn over and let's fold in half both ways. Forgot about that step. I just designed this model just now. Before I started the video. Okay, like that. Alright, so now we're gonna start forming the model now. So we're gonna take this diagonal crease, and we're gonna make a fold. We're gonna make a pleat fold, and watch me do the fold before you even start. So I'm gonna make a pleat fold, and the fold is gonna originate somewhere right there. And this edge is gonna be parallel with this crease. See? Like this. Okay, now I'm going to show you this time. So, the fold, it's going to originate somewhere in the middle of this square. So I'm going to just make a dot in the middle there, so you can see. So that marks the middle of this square, and the pleat is going to originate at the middle point. Okay? If you want, you can make a crease mark there, but just to make it more exact, but I'm just going to eyeball it. And this should be parallel to that. Alright? And crease that nice and sharp. Now take this point and fold it inside. Okay. And then to lock it even better, well, let's do that at the end. I was going to fold this in half, but we'll do that at the end. Okay? It doesn't need to be super locked right now. Okay. So now we're going to do that 3 more times. So here we go. So if you want, you can make a crease mark, or just use a pencil and make a dot. Or just don't make a dot at all. And make the fold, make this diagonal fold, originate at the middle. The dot is actually not necessary. You can can just eyeball it. Maybe you can go a little further up. It doesn't really matter. Okay. And fold the point inside. Okay, and I'm going to fast forward these other two. And this time I'm not actually making the dot this time. I think this last two. Just eyeballing it. Okay. Okay. Like that. So here's the model. And we're going to kind of keep these flaps down more. So to do that, we're just going to fold them in half. So let's take these 2 points here and just bring them together. And you can just pinch it like that. See? And that keeps it down a lot better. And do that on the other 3. Alright, see? And that keeps it much more locked and the flaps stay down. Alright, so here's the model. And now, just kind of sculpt the bubble a little bit just to make it easier to work. If you want, just push those points down. Now this is the bubble you're going to push in and out. So let's start right now. So I'm going to just hold it. No, I'm not going to hold it against the desk. So just take it and we're just going to just push it down. And it shouldn't be that hard too at first. And once you exercise it, it becomes a lot easier. And then push it out. And just keep exercising it until it works properly. See? Yeah, I think it's really cool. Yep, just keep exercising it until it works good. And there you have it. And it can be a volcano, like the one I taught in that video. And you can let it stand on the desk like that. And yeah. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this and find it interesting. And yeah, it's a really nice fidget toy. I really like it. Now it's getting addicting now. I can't stop playing with it. Yeah, you can take this to school, and if you're bored, you can just do this. Yeah, and you can see you can see some of my other Pop It videos I taught in the past. I'll put them in the description, or maybe in this card too. Alright, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.